Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards, guys. First, so these cards may relate to your career situation or relationship, guys. So Hierophant in reverse, Six of Spheres, and the Devil in reverse. Libras, in your situation, guys, today maybe you are really kind, compassionate person, and you are helping people, maybe someone from your work situation or your life, or it may even be an unknown person, guys, and you are helping them. Maybe for some of you, you are gifting this person. Maybe you are showering your kindness on this person, and things are going well for you, and you want to maybe boast about your success or prosperity, maybe for some of you. But for some of you, I see that you are a very kind and compassionate soul. That may be the reason you are helping them, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a different way of dealing your situation. Maybe when people say something, you say something right opposite to that. So your beliefs or your ideals are something very different, and that may you have your own beliefs and you do not go by the book, or you do not listen to anyone. So that again may cause some difficulties in your situation, and people may not like it a lot, way you talk or the way you stick to your own way. So it is not something bad, but it is you are not working with people, or you're not having that community spirit, guys, maybe. But you are a very kind and compassionate soul. You are having great concern for others, guys, and you are very optimistic and confident in your situation. Maybe today you have learned something, maybe based on your experience, whatever you went through. Your life has taught you a lot of lessons, valuable lessons, and you know the value of your experience, what you have gone through, and you have come to certain conclusions, and you are not willing to let all that knowledge go, and you stand by your knowledge, and you are someone who is very a firm believer in your whatever you believe in. So you have a firm conviction that you are right. So that may be the reason that you are not in a situation to listen or to change your ways, guys. And also, maybe for some of you, you are having some illness, or it may be some bad habits that is affecting you today, guys, or it may be your person's energy. So some kind of illness, or bad behavior, or bad habits, addictions may be causing troubles in your situation, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Five of Spheres. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, you are someone, just like I said with the previous cards, you have your own ideals, and whatever you have faced in your life, you have come to a conclusion, and you do not want to adjust to anyone, because you feel that you are a honest person and whatever experience you have gone through has taught you the lessons. But you should also remember that, guys, each and every one of us go through so many things, and each and every one of us learn the lessons we uh, are forced to learn through the experiences. So sometimes we need to listen. Maybe instead of being too adamant, you need to listen to other suggestions at least once in a while. So that is what I see, guys. Maybe that may be the reason for problems in your situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Knight of Suns. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, you are maybe planning to travel to a different place for work. Maybe you are promoted and you are moving away, guys, to a different place or a different city or a country, maybe, guys, for some of you. So that is the reading, Libras. If you are interested, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.